And everybody, hello. My name is Andrei, and let's explore with Andrei in America. And today I decided to make it some halwa. I bought clean sunflowers, and now I'm drying them a little bit. This process is not really long, like not really fast. So when they will dry, they will move to that bowl, and after that, it's like we'll use them in the grinder and then grind them down. But you will see everything like how everything will be done, and I will show you this recipe. So that's the second part of the drying the sunflowers. First one is already done. They just dry, it's like they're already cooked. Just need to just dry them a little bit, and so all that oil and everything will come out. And after that, it's like in my last one, when that ones will get dry, we'll keep going and make it halva. Now it's like we roll it some to the blender, and now we start processing. It will be not fast. This will be really slow. This will take it a time to make it almost like puree. I will show you how it have to look like. It's not done. Just need to keep going more. So that's something like this is have to be made up from you. I'm sorry. Something like this is have to come up with us sunflower seeds, like this type of the paste. Like this. So everything what I'm doing, just moving this one from the bowl, and then I have long way to go. So before we waiting for the halwa, and we need to cool down uh, uh, something. We're making pizza. Today we make a pizza. It's a sauce, couple secret ingredients with the spices what I added in the sauce, and then right now it will be pretty simple to make it homemade pizza. Which one will be better than box pizza or better than um, restaurant pizza or like fast food pizza? Like you will need like simple ingredients to make it, and I will show you what and how you need to do that. So our dough starts going. Everything what we need for that is like 320 milliliters of the water, one package of the starch, 13 grams of sugar, 30 grams of oil, three, um, three and a half uh, teaspoons of salt, and 438 grams of flour. And you can start, and then it's like just put it in a mixer, or you can mix it with yourself, and You just start making your own dough, and then you're good to go for pizza dough. So now we start mixing. It's not everything I just doing the first half of this. So we grabbed one egg, separated yolk from the white stuff. I don't know, I remember the name. Added one tablespoon of the salt, one tablespoon of the sugar powder, and now we start mixing till it's like it's getting thick. And then after that, it's like we're making a syrup too with just the sugar and water, and I will show you like what we need to do after that. So how you can see, this one is too bright. There we go. How you can see, this one is done. Strongest Russian economy with immortal. Nothing can beat us. So now we'll start making the syrup. So over here we have 200 grams of the sugar. Now we add in 50 milligrams of water. No, 52. Better than nothing. Yeah, Papa, cracker. And now we add in this to our sugar. Cut it on fire on low. And then now we'll start making a syrup. We just mixing this till it's like it's become liquid. And then we combine this with this and with this. And after that we put in any form and put in the refrigerator. I will show you how it will look in the end. So that's what it's after that's what it look like after you added everything together and you mix it really good. Then you put it in your form. In this case I used the plastic container, and I put the wax paper so it will be easy to pull it out when it's done cooling. You can leave it this in a refrigerator for a couple hours. Longer is better. Also, it's like you can leave it over the night, and you repeat it everything until you're all out of the sunflowers. It's pretty simple, like pretty simple dish. It's not. I can say this like it's easy to make, but at the same time it's not, because like it's taken really long time to do, especially when you have a lot of sunflowers, and that's really take it a long time to just make it that kind of like paste, I can say it, to use it for the halva. But yeah, I will continually keep doing the halva. I'm waiting for my dough for pizza to raise. So yeah, really soon we'll make it a video, keep going and make it a video how to make it your own pizza. Well, stay with me and then you will see. So Italian sausage is start. It's cooking. That's the first one, and that's the second one. Also, in the same time, cooking just a potato with onion. But our dough is looking pretty good. It's growing up. Resting is like almost over 2 hours, but longer as rested will be better. So pizza start going on a final station. So oven is get to the 275 Celsius or 475 in Fahrenheit. We add sauce. Now we add in some cheese. It's just a regular mozzarella cheese over here. We popping in. Spread it all over the place. So it's all looking nice and good. So we added some cheese. Now we add an Italian sausage. We can add it now. Oven is ready. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. We can add it a little bit more. We need to add it. Now we're going to add pepperoni. Okay. So now we're adding pepperoni to pizza. No, pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Okay, and then I have the wedgie ready. Now we just add a little color on the top. That's right, Bobo. Okay. Now everything should be looking good and done. Okay, now everything is looking good and done. Now everything what we're doing, we're just popping this pizza to the oven, and this will be cooked for 20 minutes, so that way this will be all done and good to go. So this pizza in the oven, close it, and for 20 minutes. We'll see how it will come up. So pizza is done. That's how it looks like. I had a little too much sauce, but other than that, it's not pretty good. I like it, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video and you will put a like and subscribe on my channel and sharing this video with everybody else. Thank you for watching. This has been Andrei with Explore America, and I will see you everybody in the next video. Bye.